Welcome to Mandarin Made Easy. And today we will learn a very important but don't worry very easy sentence how to say in Chinese I am American and I am from America. And we will also learn names of some other English-speaking countries like Canada, Australia, UK, South Africa, Japan, and India. So you can easily use names of these countries to say where are you from. Now this lesson will be totally verbal. Means you don't have to write anything, don't have to read anything. Just listen and speak and do practice with me. So please subscribe my channel and turn on notification button so that we can continue our journey of learning Chinese in the simplest way. 好的，开始。Means, okay, let's start. First of all, let us learn names of some countries in Chinese. America in Chinese is 美国，美国，美国。美国 means America. Now, England or UK or Great Britain, it is 英国. Actually, 国 means country. So, 美国 means America and 英国 means UK. Okay, first let's make some sentences with these two countries. I am from America. In Chinese it is 我 means me or I. 来自means come from. 美国 means America. So it becomes 我来自美国. Repeat it with me. 我来自美国. Once more. 我来自美国. Now answer my question. What does it means in English? 我来自英国. Let me check in comments. Yes, you are right. I am from UK. Again, how to say? 我来自英国。我来自英国. Now you have learned two sentences. One is I am from America and the other is I am from UK. How to say? Once more. 我来自美国 and 我来自英国. Now how to say I am from Canada? Canada in Chinese is 加拿大. Yes, these three sounds. 加拿大，加拿大 加拿大. Now how to say I am from Canada? 我来自加拿大. Now we have 3 countries in our list. 美国 America, 英国 UK, 加拿大 Canada. So ready to learn next country name? But give me a thumbs up, please. Okay, now how to say Australia? Australia in Chinese is 澳大利亚. 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 So how to say I am from Australia? 我来自澳大利亚. And now how to say South Africa? It is 南非. 南非. Actually, Nan means south and Fei is for Africa. So, South Africa in Chinese is Nan Fei. Now, how to say I am from South Africa? 我来自南非. Try it yourself. Yes, 我来自南非. Okay. Now how to say India in Chinese? India in Chinese is 印度. 印度. Probably Chinese have taken this word from Hindu. So it is 印度. Now how to say I'm from India? 我来自印度. And now what's about Japan? The word Japan in Chinese is 日本. 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 日 actually is for sun or day, and pen means root. So Japan is the place from where sun originates or day originates. Well, that's the literal meaning. Now how to say I am from Japan? 我来自日本. Once more. 我来自日本. Okay, now let's revise the names of these countries in Chinese. America, 美国. England, 英国. Canada, 加拿大. South Africa, 南非. Australia, 澳大利亚. India, 印度. Japan, 日本. And now let's move to part 2 of this video. How to specifically tell the nationality, like I am American, I am British, I am Canadian, I am Australian, and so on. We will simply add a small word after name of each country. Like 美国 is for America and ren is for person. So American becomes 美国人. 美国人. So British will become 美国人. 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 美国人 英国人 Canadian will become 加拿大人 Australian will become 澳大利亚人 South African will become 南非人 Japan will become 日本人 and Indian will become 印度人 It's easy, isn't it? So please tell me in comments where are you from? Okay, now how to say I am American? It will be 我是美国人 means I am American. Once more. 我是美国人 And now how to say I am British? It is 我是英国人 Yes, 我是英国人 Now tell me what does it mean? 我是澳大利亚人 Yes, correct. I am Australian. 我是南非人 I am South African. 我是日本人 I am Japanese. And 我是印度人 I am Indian. So if you simply want to say I am from blah blah, you will use 我来自 and then the country name. But if you specifically want to mention your nationality, then you will say 我是 blah blah 人 and now you can fill in the blank blah blah. So this was today's lesson and I hope you would have learned something from this video today. Kindly give me a thumbs up for my appreciation. Your likes give me encouragement to make more useful stuff like that. So now let's watch our next video.